Hi guys, good morning. Quick share lang, pero bago yon, kuha muna tayo ng drink sa ating tiny refrigerator. 'Di ba? Sobrang laki ng ref ko. Oy, wag kayong mag-alala, hindi lang ako gumagawa niyan. Tingin kayo doon sa pinakataas, sa pinakadulong bintana. Kita ba? Ayan. Ayun. Malapit doon sa parang labasan ng usok. Ayun, oh. Oh, maliit nga lang siya, pero kasi naka-front ka. Ayoko nang magpapalit-palit. Pero yun na nga. So, going back. So, meron tayong German dictionary again para sa ating learning this coming A2 next year. I hope na mas maging successful tayo and everybody else there who's studying another language. Kahit English pa yan, ito German structure language is okay lang. Diba? Charis. It's not bad to make mistake. Mahalaga, ginagamit mo siya, tinatry mo siya, ina-attempt mong gamitin yung another language na gusto mong matutunan because kung i-keep mo lang siya sa'yo, it's not gonna help you at all. I remember when I was studying English way back, elementary, high school, college, hirap na hirap talaga ako, palako lang aking grade. Pero it's okay. Kasi nga, sabi ko, hindi talaga siya pumapasok sa brain cells ko at that time. And as time goes by, I keep learning, I keep studying. Yun pala, hindi ako dun matuto. Mas natututo ako kapag I'm watching the movies, imitating a scene, memorizing a script. Ganun ako natuto. And then, hindi ko rin in-expect na magiging call center agent ako kasi nandun yung work na maganda. And nandun yung opportunity na maganda, sahod na malaki. Dahil nga, ambisyosa ako sa buhay. Gusto ko talaga na malaking sahod kasi gusto kong maluho ako eh. Yun na yun. Charis. Ayun na nga. And then after that is, syempre, hindi ka naman perfect na tao. Hindi lahat ng grammar rules kabisado mo. Kasi hindi nga ako ganyan natuto. Hindi ako nag-rely sa grammar rules. At that time, lagi lang kung ano yung naririnig ko, kung paano ko siya na iintindihan. But ngayon, mas gagawin natin siya mas perfect. Especially we are learning German language. And it's gonna be hard. And it's gonna be a new journey also. And sana kayo din na hindi kayo mapanghinaan to learn another language because kung natuto nga kayo mag-English, it will be easy for you to learn another language where you think another opportunity, another bigger opportunity in life, no? And ayun lang. Kahit nung team lead ako during that time is I'm not perfect. I am being corrected with my emails, how I respond, how I colored it, how I bold the letters, and it's really okay. Kasi nga, it's your first time doing the thing. It's your first time making, being in a profession, and I hope that kahit sino man kayo dyan is do not let fear get into you. Kasi kapag nauna yun sa'yo, wala makakabahan ka, matatakot ka, and you're not gonna do good things anymore. So, huwag kang panghinaan. Be great, be good. I hope that we have a nice journey of life, 'di ba? And enjoy natin ang buhay-buhay kasi mahirap na lagi tayong may sama ng loob. Charis. So, ayun lang. Wala, actually gusto ko lang mag-share ng German learning ko in my life, and I am happy that I am learning. I am happy that I'm continuing learning the life that I am pushing through kasi ayoko maging mahirap. Charis. Yun na nga. So, yun lang. I hope that everybody else will be great on what they do in life. And thank you for watching my video.